Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this particular session, we will start with that is probability. So in the last class, we were discussing about all the basic terms related to our probability. That is all the basic definitions and the formulas related to our probability chapter that we had already studied in your first PUC. Now in this session we shall start with the next, that is a subtopic. Subtopic means the actual syllabus starts from here, that is conditional probability, that we shall start now. It is a very simple topic. So first of all, let us take the definition of it. That is nothing but here definition. Okay, now what we have here, that is nothing but very simple here. Definition: let A and B be two events. Let A and B be two events. Okay, one thing. Then okay, the probability of A, then conditional probability is defined to be as probability of A. Okay, probability of A. Okay, that is nothing but probability of A. Already B has occurred. Okay, already B has occurred. That means the probability of A already B has occurred, or else it is also called as probability of A, okay, bar B. That means probability of A getting, already we are having B is there, probability of A having B. Okay, and denoted by, it is denoted by, okay, and it is also defined to be as a probability of A intersection B divided by P of B here. So bar B is there now, whatever at the denominator is there, that is nothing but here B here. It is also called as probability of A bar B, or it is defined to be as a probability of A, okay, already B has occurred here. Probability of A already B has occurred here. That is nothing but our required thing here. Probability of A already B has occurred here. That is one thing. Now the next part. This is the first half part. The next part we shall discuss now. Now we shall move on with the very simple examples related to this probability. Okay, that is nothing but we shall start with the exercise 13.1 here. Exercise 13.1 here. Exercise 13.1, that is first one, compute P of A bar B. Compute P of A bar B if what it is given, P of B is equal to 0.5 and P of A intersection B which is equal to 0.32. Okay, P of B is equal to 0.5 and P of A intersection B is 0.32. This we have to solve here. Very simple. According to definition, P of A bar B, that is nothing but here P of A intersection B divided by P of B here. P of A bar B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B, which is equal to P of A intersection B, that is nothing but 0.32 divided by P of B. P of B is nothing but 0.5. Okay, that will be nothing our required result. Okay, compute it and find out the value here. That is nothing but our required result. Second one, let us start here. Find P of E bar F and P or F bar E. Okay, so here given P of E is equal to 0.6, P of F is equal to 0.3 and P of E intersection F which is equal to 0.2. P of E intersection F equal to 0.2. Now we shall start with the problem here. Now let us examine here. So what we have, that is the first one is P of E intersection F, that is nothing but P of E intersection F whole divided by P of F here, P of F. Now we shall substitute the value. What is P of E intersection F? That is 0.2. Okay, dear students, divide by what we have, P of F, that is nothing but here 0.3, that is nothing but here 2 by 3 value, first thing. That is into 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1, that is your required. Now the second one, it is very simple, that is nothing but P of F bar E. Okay, dear students, F bar E means P of E intersection F or F intersection E, both are same here. Dear students, P of F bar E means P of E intersection F. Here F bar E means F intersection E and E intersection F, both are same here. It satisfies the commutative law here. Divide by what we have, that is a P of E here. Now P of E intersection F, or here what we have, 0.2. Divide by P of E. P of E means what we have here, that is 0.6 here. Now ultimately what we get here, 2 by 6, that is nothing but here 1 by 3 here. That is nothing but our required result here. Very, very simple thing here. Next, the third one. Now what it is, if P of A is equal to 0.8, P of B is equal to 0.5, and P of B bar A, okay, P of B bar A equal to 0.4, P of B bar A equal to 0.4, find A, in this portion only find A, P of A intersection B, okay, then B part, dear students, P of A bar B, and next the third one, see, that is a P of A union B, okay. All these things we shall discuss now. Now first of all, what he has given according to the data, P of A intersection B he had asked, and he has given us P of A, P of B and P of B bar A he has provided. That means, dear students, how we can solve it? It is very, very simple. Now here how we can solve it? Given P of B bar A is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of A here. Now what I require is P of A intersection B. That implies A, P of A intersection B, which is equal to P of A into P of B bar A, into P of B bar A here. Now we shall substitute and find out the value. Now here P of A means what we have, which is equal to 0.8, okay, into next P of B bar A, that is nothing but here 0.4. Ultimately what we get, that is nothing but 0.32 value. What it is? 0.32 value here. That is your first result. Okay. Next one is B part. Okay. B. Always remember, probability never exceeds 1. Probability value always lies between 0 to 1 here. It never exceeds 1 and it is never less than 0 also. Always, whatever the problem may be, always the probability lies from 0 to 1 here. Okay, including 0 as well as including 1 here. Next, let us move on with the B part. B part, what we have? P of A intersection B, already we had solved. B, that is a P of A bar B, which is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B, dear students. P of A intersection B means what we have, dear students? Another nodri, E just solve madivi, that is 0.32 divided by P of B, that is nothing but here 0.5. Can I write it as 3.2 divided by 5 can write, okay, divided by 5 can write, or else just simply you can write as, okay, that is 3.2 divided by 5 or 0.32 divided by 0.5. That is nothing but our result. Okay. Now let us start with the last one. What is the last one? C portion. That is nothing but P of A union B. Already in the first class we have discussed about this. That is the addition theorem of probability. According to that, according to this addition theorem of probability, what do you mean by it? That is nothing but here P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, dear students. That means according to it, what is the value for P of A? P of A andre ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.8 ಅದ. P of B means what we have? 0.5 minus of P of A intersection B, just now we had find, that is 0.32. So now ultimately what values we get here, that we shall observe. That is nothing but here 0.8, okay, plus 0.5 minus 0.32. What we get here, that is nothing but here 0.18. okay, the value will be 0.18 here. You add these two, that is nothing but here 0.98. that is nothing but the result for P of A union B. Dear students, it is a very, very simple example. It may be asked in the examination for 2 marks. Okay, dear students, we have started with the exercise number 13.1. We shall continue the problems related to this 13.1. So before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Hello dear students, let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is also very, very simple. What he had asked is, find P of A is equal to 6 by 11, P of B is equal to 5 by 11, P of A union B is equal to 7 by 11. Find P of A intersection B, okay, P of A bar B and C P of B bar A. So now let us begin with the problem. First one he has asked is P of A intersection. How to find it? We know that, okay, from the first PUC, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B here, P of A intersection B. That means here P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B here, P of A union B. Now from this I can find out all the values. What is the P of A value? That is 6 by 11 plus B, that is 5 by 11 minus of 7 by 11. Now after adding it, what we get? That is 11 by 11 minus 7 by 11. Now here 11 by 11 means what it is? 1. That is 11 minus 7. That is nothing but here the value will be 4 by 11. That is the value for P of A intersection B, the first one. That is A. Then B. What is the B here, dear students? P of A bar B. Okay, P of A bar B means P of A intersection B whole divided by P of B here. Now P of B. What is the P of A intersection B here? P of A intersection B, the value is P of A intersection B. Okay, what we have? The value is 4 by 11 divided by P of B, that is 7 by 11. So what we get here, dear students? 4 by 7 here. Very, very simple problem. Then the C part. What it is? P of B bar A. P of B bar A means P of A intersection B whole divided by P of A here, okay, which is equal to P of A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B, the value will be, what is the P of A intersection B here? That is nothing but 4 by 11, 4 by 11 whole divided by P of A. What is this P of A value? That is 6 by 11, that is 4 by 6. The value will be 2s are 2 3s are 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 here. That is nothing but our required result here. Okay, dear students, this is all about the first problem. Very, very simple thing. Now let us move on to the next problem. Here he has not given us the probability directly here, but instead of that, okay, instead of that, what he has given? All the basic things he had given. A coin is tossed how many times? 3 times. Let us write down the sample space. Sample space means a coin, it is tossed 3 times. What happens? All the 3 times it may become head, or else head, head, tail, then head, tail, head, then tail, head, head. Then what may happen here? That is nothing but here 2 tails, head, tail, tail, then tail, head, tail, then tail, tail, head, then at last tail, tail, and then tail it may occur here. These all possibilities are there here. Okay, now this is one thing, okay, this is one part. The next part is, okay, dear students, the next part. What is the next part here that we shall observe here? Now here what we have to observe is, let us start with the first one, okay, that is A here. A means what he has given? E. E means what it is? Head on the third twice, third toss. That means however you are tossing a coin once, twice, thrice, the third time, that is this particular value should be what it is? Should be head. That all choices I will remove here. What it is? The first one is head, head, head. Just what is given? In quaterly third head on third twice. That means third toss ali head irabekaste. That is nothing but head, tail, head here. Then here head, tail, head, head. Then here that is nothing but here tail, tail, head. Okay, tail, tail, head. Tail, tail, head here. Okay, P of E. Then F here. F means what we have, dear students? P of F. Now before going to that, let us write down the probability also. F means what it is? Head on the first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses should be head. How many are there from this sample space? This I will remove. Head, head, head. Don't bother about the third one. First 2 should be head. That's all. That is nothing but head, head, tail, and then here remaining things. That is nothing but here. Only these 2 are remaining parts. Only these 2 are remaining parts. One thing. Now here, what is the probability of it? That is a probability of E. The probability of E should be what it is. Here how many values are there? That is n of E divided by n of S. okay, n of s. That is P of n of e. What is the value for n of e? That is nothing but 4 divided by n of s. That is weight 1 by 2 here. Then probability of f here. Probability of f, what we have, that is a 2. 2 divided by, that is n of f divided by n of s here. That is a 2 by 8. That value will be 1 by 4 here. One thing. Now what actually we require to find is, find, here the question is remaining here, find P of, okay, E bar f in both the cases. P of E bar f in both the cases. Find P of f. E bar f means what I require is E intersection f also require. Okay, that is the E intersection f. What is that E intersection f here? That we shall also here. E intersection f. E is HHH, HTH, THH, and this 4 thing. What is the common between these 2 things? Okay, we can observe that only HHH is common, and that implies it probability of, that is E intersection f, that is nothing but here n of this value, that is only 1 divided by n of s. N of s under another dear students, that is 8 here. The value will be 1 by 8. Now easily you can find out the formula, that is nothing but here P of E bar f, that is nothing but here P of E intersection f divided by P of f here, P of f. Now what is the value here? P of E intersection f here. E intersection f means here 1 by 8, okay, divided by P of f here. P of f andre enadar nodri namagili, that is 1 by 4 here. 1 by 4, that is 4 by 8. The value will be 1 by, dear students, 1 by 2 here. Very, very simple. Now let us start with the second one, same as it is. Sample space is the same as it is, no need to write again. Okay, because the experiment is coin is tossed 3 times. This is random experiment. Experiment ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅದನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಡೈಸ್ ಅದನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅದು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Now in the B part, what it is, at least 2 heads, okay, that is E part, that is nothing but at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means what it is, minimum 2 head ಇರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ ಹೆಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Minimum 2. At least 2 means maximum it will be 3 also, dear students. That is also very important. What we have here, that is head, 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 then head, head, tail, then head, tail, head, and then we may have tail, head, head. Only these are the possible cases. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಆದರೂ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದಾಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. P of E is equal to n of E divided by n of S. The value is n of E ಅಂದರೆ 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 8. The value will be 1 by 2 here. ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ F ನೋಡೋಣ. F ಅಂದರೆ ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ at most 2 heads. What do you mean by it? Maximum 2 heads should be here. Maximum, what it is, 2 heads. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1 ಹೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆರ್ ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 0 ಹೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. These all things will include. Be attentive here. What it is, at most 2 heads means maximum 2 head ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಿಲಿ. That is the maximum 2 heads, then or 1 head or 0 heads. So here at most 2, that is nothing but here at most is maximum, only 2 heads are there. Head, head, tail, head, tail, head, and then we may have tail, head, head, then 1 head we shall start here, head, tail, tail, then the remaining part is tail, head, tail, then it is tail, tail, head, and then we may have, okay, this is the minimum 1 head and minimum 0 head, that is tail, tail, tail will also include. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅದ್ರ ತೆಳಗಿದ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥೇನು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 2 ಆರ್ 1 ಆರ್ 0 ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ತೀವಿ. 0 ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥೇನು, 3 ಟೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Then it's here probability of f here. Probability of f means n of f divided by n of, that is n of f divided by n of s here. N of f means what we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 8 here. Probability of f, that is nothing but 7 by 8. Next thing is E intersection f. Now what is E intersection f here, that we shall start here. E intersection f. What we have here, that is very, very important thing. Now E intersection f here. One thing. Now here E intersection F, what are the things here? Common things, what it is? HHT, HTH, THH. That is HHT, HTH, and then THH. Any other remaining things? HHH, it is not there. Only these are the remaining parts. Therefore, N of E intersection F, sorry, it is probability. Probability of E intersection F is equal to N of E intersection F divided by N of sample space. So, N of E intersection value is 3 divided by 8. Now here, what we require to find E intersection F, E bar F in the remaining two cases. Now here we shall write down the formula. What it is? We know that P of E intersection F, what it is? That is a P of E intersection F divided by what it is? P of F, the bottom term. That is P of F. ಈಗ P of E intersection F ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? P of E intersection F. What it is? Probability of E intersection F is 3 by 8 divided by P of F. What do you mean by P by F? That is nothing but here 7 by 8. That means after cancelling, we'll get it as 3 by 7, and that is nothing but our required result here. Dear students, if this problem is asked, any one question will be asked. If it is asked, it will be asked for 3 marks here. 3 marks problem here. Very, very simple and easy here. Just one thing you require to remember here in this subtopic, that is nothing but here conditional probability definition here. And one more relation, what it is, both E and F are dependent on each other, not independent. That is also very important. These both are dependent on each other. That also clause we shall discuss afterwards. Okay, dear students, now before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us start with the next problem. The next problem is also very simple here. What he has given is 2 coins is tossed once. That means what is the sample space here? 2 coins are tossed once, means either you may get head on both those coins, head tail I may get, tail head I may get, or both will be tail here. It is nothing but our sample space. One thing. The next thing will be E. Tail appears on one coin. What it is? I will start with A here. That is E. That is nothing but here tail appears on one coin. Tail appears on one coin means what it is? On one coin, the tail should appear here. That is nothing but here head, tail, any one coin, either tail, head here. That means tail appears on one coin only. At least on one coin, it is only tail here. That is E. And similarly here, what is the P of E here? That is N of E divided by N of S. That is nothing but P of E, that is 2 divided by 4. The value will be 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 here. 2 by 4, the value will be 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2. That is the required result. Then comes the F here. F. What is this F here? That we shall observe here. F means here tail appears on one coin is over. One coin shows head. That means only at least one coin shows head here. One coin shows head means head it may occur. One coin head, then head tail and tail head here. That means here P of F, that is nothing but here P of N of F, that is a 3 by 4, that is the value will be 3 by 4 itself. Similarly, E intersection F, that is nothing but here what we have? One coin shows head, tail appears on one coin. Okay, this is one thing. Tail appears on one coin, and here it is one coin shows head here. Next here E intersection M is what is a common thing between these two? That is E as well as F. What is the common thing? That is a tail head, head tail, head tail, tail head. That means here P of E intersection F. N of E means it is 2 divided by 4. Again it is 1 by 2 here. Again it is 1 by 2. That means now what I require to find in each case P of E bar F. P of E bar F. That is nothing but here P of E intersection F divided by P of F here. Okay, P of E bar F. Okay, P of E bar F, that is nothing but here the value. Okay, P of E intersection F. E intersection F is 1 by 2 divided by P of F. P of F, that is nothing but here 3 by 4. The value will be here. I will take 4 to the numerator part here. That is nothing but here 4. Okay, 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. That is nothing but 2 2s are 2 by 3. Okay, the result will be 2 by 3 here. I will write down 2 by 3 here. That is one thing. This is one part. Next B hoga. What do you mean by B portion here? B is what is no tail appears, no tail appears, that is nothing but tail ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಹೆಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಅರ್ಥಿಲ್ಲಿ. Then what is the probability of, that implies probability of, okay, E, that is nothing but 1 by 4 here. Okay, then comes here F. F is equal to what we have, no head appears. What it is, no head appears. What it is, a no head appear means what it is, head ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. That means what it is tail. Again it is probability of F is equal to 1 by 4 here. Now here E intersection F, that is nothing but here null set, that implies probability of E intersection F, the value will be 0 here. Its value is 0 here, students. 0 divided by anything, that is 0 only. Now at last we shall find P of E bar F. P of E bar F means what we have, P of E, dear students. P of E means what we have, P of E, that is nothing but here 1 by 4. Sorry, according to definition, P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Now what we have, P of E intersection F, that is 0 divided by 1 by 4, that is 0 only. That is nothing but our required result here. Very, very simple thing. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Okay, that is nothing but mother, father and son line up at a random for a family picture. That means I will write down the sample space. Okay, sample space, whatever it might be. That is, mother means I will take it as M, father means I will take it as F, and son means I will take it as small letter S here. Line up at a random for a family picture. Line up. Line up means what? Mother, father, then son. Then we will interchange this thing. Interchange, and we shall look on to how many things we may have. That we shall observe. The sample space will be M for mother here, for F means father and son. Then mother, son, father. Then we may have, okay, these two things are over. Next I will take it as father at the first, then mother, son. Then I will take father, then son, mother. At last I will take son here, son, then mother, father, son, father, mother. These are the possibilities how they are lining up. What is given, mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Random means these are all the possible random things. How many values we have? That is nothing but 6 we have. Directly also we can solve it for competitive. How it is means, how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. Randomly taking means that is nothing but 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2, the value will be 6 also. Directly we can make use of that. But since here what I require is, I require the E set. I require E set as well as F set. So therefore I will make use of this set theory. Now here, next here only one thing is there, that is E part. What is the E part? Sun on one end. What it is? Sun should be at one end. Either it is first or either it is last. How many are there? Mother, father, son. Then we may have here father, mother, son. Then son, mother, father. Then son, father, mother. Son, father, mother. And what is the probability of E here? Dear students, probability of means N of E divided by N of S here. That is nothing but here. How many you have? 4 divided by, that is 6. That is the 2 by 3 here. One thing. That is one part. Then the F part. F is equal to, okay, F is equal to what we have, that is father in the middle. That's all. Father in the middle here. Father should be at the middle. Only that thing we require. That means here father in the middle means M, S, F, one thing. Then anything else here, nothing is there. And here S, F, M. Only these two possible are cases. That is father at the middle here, dear students. Father at the middle. Only 2 possible cases are there. Okay. Next part is finding, that implies probability of F. That is nothing but N of F divided by N of S. N of F means that is 2 divided by 6. The value is 1 by 3. Now at last, now P of E bar F. Okay. P of E bar F means P of E intersection F divided by P of F here. So what we get here, P of E intersection F. E intersection F means what we have here, what we get the value P of E intersection F. That also we require to find here. What it is, okay, I will find out that value first of all. E intersection F here. E intersection F means what it is, Now E intersection F, what is that? MSF, okay, MSF. Then SFM, SFM, it is also there, SFM, that is here it is M, SF, MSF it is here, SFM it is also there, that is SFM. So its probability of E intersection F, that is nothing but here N of E intersection F divided by N of S here, that is nothing but here 2 divided by 6, the value will be 1 by 3. Now let us start with the P of E bar F, dear students, here P bar E bar F. P of E bar F, what we have, that is nothing but here P of E intersection F divided by P of F here. Now here P of E intersection F, what we have, that is nothing but here 1 by 3 divided by P of F. What is the P of F? Again it is 1 by 3, dear students, that means the value will be 1 here, that means the value will be 1. That is nothing but our required result here. Dear students, in the next class we shall continue with the same thing, that is exercise number 13.1 related to our conditional probability. Till that, thank you.